Up next on the CBS Evening News, an inside look at the makeover of legendary game show The Price is Right. Then on KOAM News at 6, a Pittsburgh woman says she videoed her neighbor abusing a dog and now fears retaliation. We're going to show you some of the video. Plus, a look at the efforts to restore power to thousands of Tulsa residents after last weekend's storm still without power. And the Missouri Sports Commission hands out its annual awards. We're going to see which local athletes took home prizes. Stay with us for the CBS Evening News and then KOAM News at 6. What might seem like odd habits of our pets could actually serve a real purpose. Today's question for our pet vet on call: why does my cat eat grass?
Well, sometimes it's for a reason, like they're nauseous and they need to throw up. And grass does help them throw up because their stomach acids are different than the bases of the grass. Sometimes it's to calm their stomachs down because they have too much acid from whatever condition. And it's not always a sign of an issue, but sometimes a cat might just like a little salad with their dinner. If it's not your normal for your cat, if it's an excessive kind of thing, there's probably something going on and you need to see your veterinarian.
Hey, we invite questions from anyone. If you have a question, you just send it to Petvet at KOAMTV.com. Dr. Eva Dudek from the Parsons Pet Hospital answers a different question or brings us a fun fact every Wednesday right here on KOAM News at 5. You can also find answers to previous questions on our website. All right, let's check out our picks of the litter for the week. From the Joplin Humane Society, look at that. We have Fireball, an adult male orange short-haired cat. And from the Southeast Kansas Humane Society, we have Bambi. The shelter says she's a 5-month-old boxer. No, it's not a deer. If you're looking for a pet.
That's what I was thinking.
Nope, not in this case. Any pet, aside from a deer, perhaps check out the local Humane Society.